Welcome to our channel. If Steam is not opening or you're experiencing download errors, this step-by-step guide will help you resolve these issues and get back to gaming. Step 1. Completely close Steam by right-clicking the Steam icon in your system tray and selecting Exit. Make sure all Steam processes are terminated through Task Manager. Step 2. Navigate to your Steam installation folder, usually located at C Program Files Steam or C Program Files x86 Steam on Windows. Step 3. Delete everything in the folder except the steam.exe file and the Steam Apps folder, which contains your installed games. This removes corrupted files while preserving your games. Step 4. Right-click on steam.exe and select Run as administrator to restart Steam with elevated permissions. Step 5. Steam will automatically download and reinstall necessary files to repair the installation. Wait for this process to complete. Step 6. If the problem persists, verify your firewall and antivirus settings are not blocking Steam, and ensure your internet connection is stable. Step 7. As a final option, uninstall and reinstall Steam completely if the issue continues, making sure to back up your game files first. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.